Welcome to today's tutorial. We're diving into a handy WhatsApp web feature that lets you control your message privacy. Disappearing messages. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to manage how long your messages stick around on your PC. Let's walk through the steps to change the disappearing message timer. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code with your phone to access your account. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You should see a few icons there. Next, click on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings menu, where you can tweak various aspects of your WhatsApp web experience. In the settings menu, find and click on Privacy. This section is dedicated to managing your privacy settings, including the disappearing messages feature. Once you're in the privacy section, scroll down until you see Default Message Timer. This is where you can set the default duration for your disappearing messages. Click on Default Message Timer. You'll see a list of options: 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off one. Select the time frame you prefer. If you choose 24 hours, your messages will disappear 1 day after they're sent. If you select 7 days, they'll disappear after a week. And if you opt for 90 days, they'll vanish after 3 months. If you want to disable the feature altogether, just select Off. After you select your preferred duration, the change will automatically apply to all new individual chats. Keep in mind that this won't affect existing chats. It only applies to new conversations you start after changing the setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed the period of disappearing messages on WhatsApp web. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and keep your chats clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.